Hey there, welcome back. Today we're delving into a topic that affects many of us, overspending. Have you ever wondered why you can't seem to stop buying things, even when you know you shouldn't? Well, today we're going to explore the emotional drivers behind overspending and how understanding them can help us regain control of our finances. Overspending isn't just about a lack of willpower. It's often driven by deeper emotional factors. Let's take a closer look at some of these emotional drivers. 1. Emotional triggers. Many times we overspend in response to emotions such as stress, boredom, sadness, or even excitement. Understanding what triggers these emotions can help us identify healthier coping mechanisms. 2. Instant gratification. In today's fast-paced world, we're accustomed to instant gratification. We want things now, and we're willing to overspend to get them. Learning to delay gratification can help us make more mindful spending choices. 3. Social influences. We're often influenced by our peers and social media when it comes to spending. Seeing others with the latest gadgets or fashion trends can create a sense of FOMO, fear of missing out, and lead to impulsive spending. 4. Low self-esteem. For some, overspending is a way to boost self-esteem or fill a void. Buying things temporarily makes us feel better about ourselves, but it's often short-lived and can lead to a cycle of overspending. 5. Lifestyle inflation. As our income increases, so do our spending habits. We fall into the trap of constantly upgrading our lifestyle, which can lead to financial strain and overspending. Understanding these emotional drivers is the first step towards breaking free from overspending habits. By addressing the root causes behind our spending behaviors, we can make more conscious choices and regain control of our financial well-being. And there you have it, insights into the emotional drivers behind overspending. Remember, it's okay to seek support if you're struggling with overspending. Whether it's talking to a friend, a therapist, or a financial advisor, help is available. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on Level Up. Take care, and until next time.